Good afternoon. My name is Michelle Axel Richard, Chevrolet Product Trainer for the North Central region, and I'm making this video on behalf of the Center of Learning. Today I want to talk to you about delayed door lock. So when you go into your power door locks, under your settings, you see this delayed door lock here. If you turn this on, then when you get out of the vehicle, turn the vehicle off, get out of the vehicle and press the lock button, you have a delay before the doors will lock up. This is convenient because if I have my laptop in the back, I can go in and open up the driver door, close it, and I can still open up that rear door to retrieve my laptop. If 5 seconds hasn't passed, I can still make it around the vehicle to the passenger side as well and open that door to get items out of the front seat. All I have to do is close the door. 5 seconds after all doors remain closed, the vehicle will automatically lock up. So the convenience of it is to be able to have your hands full and not worry because the vehicle will lock up once 5 seconds has expired.